Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best Hoover carpet cleaner in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying Hoover carpet cleaner. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. At only £9, this cleaner is easy to take where you need it. Users love the self-cleaning hose that flushes away dirt and bacteria after each use. The powerful multi-purpose tool is made with antimicrobial materials to keep it clean. Extremely portable and lightweight for spot cleaning and upholstery. Not meant for cleaning the carpet of an entire room at one time. At number 2. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Washer. Automatic detergent mixing means you always get the right amount of soap and water for best results. Lightweight at under £19. Includes attachments such as a spin scrub hand tool, stair tool, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. Stands out for the great assortment of attachments included. Users note that it uses a lot of detergent for the area it cleans. At number 1. Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner. Great Hoover features such as spin scrub brushes and rinse mode. A big 1.25 gallon tank capacity means less stopping to empty. Comes with a 2-in-1 antimicrobial pet tool for cleaning pet messes thoroughly. Easy to carry, weighing under £19. Features a unique quick clean mode that lets carpets dry in less than 45 minutes. Does not include many attachments. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.